Hi, this is Algebra 2, Lesson 14. We're going to talk about finding the equation of a line, and we're starting on page 75. Alright, today we're going to get more practice finding the equation of the line. The slope-intercept form of a linear equation is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. If we are given 2 points of a line, or 1 point and the slope, we can find the equation of the line without graphing it. So let's try. Find the equation of the line that passes through -3 and 2 and 3 and -3. Start by finding the slope of the line. The slope in our form is m, and it's the difference in y over the difference in x. So we're going to make one of these points point 1 and one of them point 2. It doesn't matter which one. We're going to come out with the same answer either way. So we'll call this one number 1 and we'll call this one number 2. So we're going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we have -3 minus 2 over 3 minus -3. Okay, this makes -5, and this is 3 minus -3, which is +6. So our slope is -5/6. So right now, we can write our equation is y equals -5/6 x plus b. Now we need to solve for b, and we solve for b by using the coordinates of one of the points. It doesn't matter which one, they should actually give us the same answer. So to check, let's try both of them and make sure that they give us the same answer. So if we use point 1, then y equals 2, 2 equals -5/6, and x equals -3 plus b, and we're going to solve for b. For point 2, we'll have -3 equals -5/6 times 3 plus b. Okay, let's solve for b in both of these equations. We have 2 equals, the negatives cancel here, and we'll have 5/18 plus b. We can subtract 5/18 from both. That's not right. Sorry, I'm a goof brain. 15/6. Alright, we're going to cross that out and rewrite it. 2 equals 5 times 3 is 15 over 6. Good grief. Plus b. Aren't you glad to know that you're not the only math person who makes silly mistakes? Alright, we can divide a 3 out of the top and the bottom, and then we'll have 2 equals 5/2 plus b. That looks much nicer. Now we can subtract 5/2 from both sides. 2 is 4/2, so 4/2 minus 5/2 is -1/2 equals b. Okay? Now let's solve for b over here. A little bit better than I did it over here, hopefully. -3 equals 5 times 3 is 15 over 6, and this is negative, plus b. We can simplify this by taking 3 out of both sides. So that'll be 5 over 2, and it's still negative. Okay, we're going to add 5/2 plus 5/2. That cancels out. -3 is -6/2, so -6/2 plus 5/2 is still -1/2, and that equals b. So our equation is y equals, our m is -5/6, x, and our b is -1/2. And that is the equation. Okay, let's try another one. Find the equation of the line. Let me move this down. think I've scooched up too far. Find the equation of the line that passes through -4 and 7 and has a slope of -3/5. Well, this time they gave us the slope. So our form is y equals mx plus b, and we already know that m equals -3/5. So we have y equals -3/5 x plus b. Now we can put the values of the points into x and y here and solve for b. So 7 equals -3/5 times -4 plus b. 7 equals, our negatives cancel. We have 12/5 plus b. Subtract 12/5 from both sides. That's going to cancel. And b equals, well, 7 is 35/5, so we'll have 35/5 minus 12/5, which is 23/5. Okay? It does not have to be ugly. It does not have to be pretty to be correct. Alright, now let's put the formula back together. We have y equals m, which is -3/5, x plus 23/5. And that is the equation of the line. Okay? That is it for this lesson. Try your practice problems. Do your homework. Don't forget to check. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.